Hey guys, it's Craig with Squappy's Videos. Today we're going to go ahead and unbox a GoPro Hero 7 Black. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so this is going to be the Hero 7 Black from GoPro. I'm sure plenty of people are very familiar with this camera, of course. I've had tons of people go ahead and ask me, well, if you're doing YouTube videos, why don't you have a GoPro? Well, Ashley kept on telling me the same thing, and this is what she got me for Father's Day. So filming this on Father's Day so that way we can do an unboxing, get it charged up, and actually try using it. So that's what we're going to go ahead and do here today. We're going to go ahead and open it up, just kind of go through some of the contents. Yes, it is only the Hero 7 Black, not the Hero 8, but I don't care. I'm happy I got a GoPro. This is actually going to be a great camera, and she got a really good deal on it. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to go ahead and unbox this and go through it. So let's do it here. So there is a little pull tab here, so we're going to go ahead and pull that open. So go ahead and pull everything out, and there is the Hero 7 Black in all its glory. Looks like it is asphyxiated, wow, to the box itself internally. So we're gonna just go ahead and open up this box that was internal. See if I can get this guy sitting up over here, so that way it is at least in the camera frame a little bit. So we're gonna go ahead and open it. I'm sure it comes with some little accessories here, which it does. So we have a little dashboard mount thing, or maybe a helmet mount thing. Actually, looks like we got two of them. Of course, USB charger. Ooh, it's USB-C. So it's USB 3.0 to USB-C. We got a battery, of course. I would hope that we do. Make sure there's nothing else in this box. There's probably a booklet in here. Yep, and we have a GoPro booklet. And then we have the GoPro itself. Like I said, it is affixed on top of this plastic mounting plate, which we're going to go ahead and take off. And I should be able to remove it from here, but I don't know how. Oh, it looks like I may just have to unscrew this guy off of here. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna unscrew this whole thing. And then there we go. And there you have it. This is the GoPro Hero 7 Black. Has a little screen here. Looks like this whole mechanism to hold it, which does, of course, give it its mounting mechanism overall too. So, can't get it out. I don't want to break it. I'll just try being somewhat careful with it. There we go. There we go. Now it is outside of its case. Let's get this plastic peeled off. I'm not recording a turtle right now. There we go. Ready? Oh, that is satisfying. All right, let's see if this actually has some power to it. It does not. All right. Well, I guess we'll be charging this guy up, and then we'll go over some of the basic functions of it, of course. So, yeah, it does look like it is how you turn it on. So, yep. All right, so let's at least find out where the, oh, you know why it probably doesn't turn on? You know what it probably needs? It probably needs, oh look, a battery. Yep. All right, this is the GoPro battery. Oh, I can't believe I did that. Good job, Craig. So we're gonna go ahead and slide this in, lock that on. Let's see, lock that on again. Press and hold the power button. Maybe. Still no. All right. Well, I guess I will be charging this. Let's see if I can unlatch this. Yep, there's the USB-C charging port right here. See if I can get you guys in focus. There we go. That is the USB-C charging port and mini HDMI. To be honest, I didn't even see. Looks like there is the micro SD card slot as well right next to that battery. So what I'm gonna have to do though, I'm gonna set this on the charger, get this going a little bit, and then we'll play around with some of the basic features and we will be back. But so far, so good. All right, syncing audio in 3, 2, 1, syncing audio. All right, so I'll charge this up for just a little bit, not too long overall, but just enough to get it turned on here. So what we're gonna go ahead and do is stop recording. Stop recording. No. All right. So here we go, guys. I do have the GoPro charged up a little bit now. So what we're gonna do is power it on. Let's hope that it actually, oh, look at that, it beeped. All right. There we go. It's powering on. I don't know if you can see that GoPro logo, but it is asking me to go ahead and select the language. Looks like this is a touch screen, so but I'm gonna see if I can confirm things with the buttons. No? Okay. Well, I guess I gotta touch the touch screen. Legal stuff. Do I agree? I sure do. Do I want it to capture location? I sure do. So let's see if we can actually get this a little closer for you guys. Maybe you guys can actually read this too with me. Alright, let's see how that looks. It's a little blurry still. Hold on. Sorry, guys. I don't know why my camera's autofocus doesn't want to work. So alright, we're gonna hit OK. Well, I gotta install the GoPro app. Alright, so give me a minute. I'll go ahead and get that set up. Alright, so it does say to open up the GoPro app. Did open up the GoPro app here on my phone after downloading it. As you see, it's right here. So we go ahead and agree to the terms of use. Hopefully you guys are able to see this. I'm trying to screen record while I'm doing this as well. So send personalization data. I don't care. They can have that information. So let's go ahead and go to next. Next, and then we're going to connect the GoPro. So don't have any connected cameras, so we're going to hit connect to GoPro. I do want it to go ahead and have all of these settings, and it is searching for a camera. So look at that, it found my GoPro. Imagine that. So connect it. As you see, it does say Hero 7 Black. Oh my god, that is a very loud beep. Alright, tap the buttons to get to know your camera. Alright, cool. So before I do that, let's just name this. So I'm going to name this Craig's GoPro. Most people do more than, or do it together, so let's do that. Alright, well apparently I can't have an apostrophe, so no apostrophes on that. We'll save that new name. And get that saved. And we'll go through some of these buttons. Camera update, alright. Well, before we do the camera update, let's tap on these buttons. So, short clips. Cool. Alright, no. Yeah, that's fine, I guess. I didn't want to select this. So, these are some of the capture settings. Good. Touch zoom. That's also cool. I think that's it. Alright, so let's actually do the camera update while we're at it here. Yeah, update the camera. So it's reconnecting to the GoPro now. Maybe I'll be able to use the GoPro a little bit for some of this capture. Alright, so let's see. Well, since there is no SD card in here, we've got to get one installed. So let's do that. So I actually have this little 8 GB SanDisk card. This is actually in my old Action camera. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna open up this. We're gonna put the SD card in. Now I hope I'm doing this the right way. I'm probably not. Nope, I think that was backwards. Let's do it this way. It makes more sense to kind of go this way with it. Yeah, there we go. Oh, there is an SD card in it now. All right, it does read that. I probably want to format the SD card though, but for now, I'm going to just have it do the update. So I'm going to hit continue. I'm going to let it download the update. Yeah, I think I am going to try using the GoPro to go ahead and film some of this stuff. Every once in a while, you know, just to change it up instead of just using my DSLR all the time to record. So we're going to let this go. Give me a minute, guys. Just notice on the screen, actually it does say camera update available on the GoPro app, so that's actually pretty cool. So it still just says downloading update on the GoPro itself, but it does say installing update on the app. Sadly, I think my DSLR battery is about to die once again. Alright, it does say it's installing the update, and it does tell me to turn off the Wi-Fi on my phone. So go ahead and I'm gonna let it do its thing. Let the GoPro restart and all that. It does toggle the Wi-Fi on its own. Oh, there it goes. Update complete. Alright, oh. Alright, let's see if I can control the GoPro. I really wish my wife wasn't so loud. I don't know if you guys can hear her or not. But I definitely hear her. Trying its damnedest to reconnect. There we go. And now the GoPro is connected. So as you see on my phone screen, it is connected. The firmware up to date. Looks like it has the wrong time, but we'll set that later. Other than that, I have a GoPro. So I'm not going to go ahead and do any recording with it right now. I did want to go ahead and just kind of do a quick unboxing and setup of it. But yeah, that's about it for the video here, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Definitely check out the affiliate links in the description down below if you are curious of buying a GoPro Hero Black GoPro Hero 7 Black. Then I will have links in the description down below for all of this. I do appreciate you guys watching. Please check us out in the future, of course, for more videos from me, Craig, with Squappy's videos. I do appreciate you guys watching. I do hope you guys have a great day.